Okay guys, so what we're going to do here is we're going to take a look at ultimately taking an image, processing it to a TIFF, and then opening it into Photoshop from Capture One. So here I have this week's sample images, and I've just imported them into Capture. And I'm going to grab the raw file. It's L9A444, blah, 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 there you go. And it's just basically a bicycle wheel. Oh, look at that, and it's spinning. Oh my goodness. And what I'm going to do is actually reset the image because I've purposefully turned off my image rotation in camera. So that's what it's going to look like. It's going to look like it's on its side. So from here, what we're going to do is basically rotate it using the rotation arrows. And then I'm going to process it as a TIFF, and then we'll open it in the Photoshop. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to rotate the image like this using my rotation arrows up here. I'm going to turn on my clipping warning, see if I need to do any exposure adjustments. And let's go to my exposure tab and pull back some of these highlights just a little bit, nothing too crazy. And maybe I will add just a touch of contrast using my favorite thing in the world, curves. I'll just darken down some of that shadow. Cool. And let's see what it looks like. And the soft reset button, or just to show before and after, is holding down Alt and clicking on the reset button. Well, there we go. And I do like it a bit brighter, so let's do this. Go. Alrighty, so now it's time to process. So I'm going to go over to my Output Tool tab, which is the little gear icon. There it is. And I'm going to run my TIFF 300 DPI RGB8 recipe. And that'll dump an image out into my output folder. So here we go. Process. I will get a TIFF file from the raw eventually. And there we go. So I'll jump over to my output folder. And there it is. There's my TIFF. And I can rename it here too if I want to. So let's just call it, what do they call it? Spin. Oops. Hey, look at that. Now, I can open this right into Photoshop from Capture One. So I can actually right click on it and choose Edit With or Open With. And choose Open With. Edit With brings up a processing window. So here what you can ultimately do is process out RAWs, but we don't need to do this because it's just going to make a copy. So you want to go right click, Open With, Photoshop. This should open up Photoshop, and it should also open up the TIFF file. And alternatively, guys, I'll just show you what's happening in Finder while we wait for this to happen. Here's this particular session I made. Here's my output folder. There's a TIFF. So I can open this right in the Photoshop as well by using Finder and choosing Open with Photoshop. There's my image in Photoshop, and let's just do something very, very quick. I'm just going to make it black and white just for the sake of showing you guys this. So I've made it black and white using a black and white adjustment layer. I'm just going to save it now. And when you have a TIFF save dialog box like this, LZW compression is good because it ultimately just makes the files a little bit smaller. And RELE, fast, saves bigger files. So layer compression, you always want to have layers on. Do not discard layers. Have layers on. And click OK. It saves. I'm just going to quit Photoshop now. And here's the cool thing about this. Notice that it has updated in Capture One, so I can see the fact that I've actually made this black and white in Photoshop. And if I want to change that, I can open it right back into Photoshop. Suppose quitting Photoshop was a little bit, there we go. That was quicker than I thought it was. There's my TIFF, there's my black and white adjustment layer. I'll just turn it off to make it color again. I'll save the image. And you notice it updates in Capture One. Look at that. So Capture One can still be used to organize your Photoshop files, which is fantastic. So it's just one more reason to keep using it. There you go, guys. That is how we take an image, prep it for Photoshop. I apologize, and mess around with Photoshop, and yet still have it linked in Capture.